me, Bella. Welcome back to my channel. And today, before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Put a big thumbs up. So I have a new background. Probably can't see it, but there's a unicorn on the wall. He's dabbing. Really cute. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing maybe opening two packages that just got sent to me. I don't know where they're from, but it looks like this one has a juice box thing, and they try to have to like paper to it. Okay, well I want to show these little scents I got. They're like for a sprayer, but they work great. I got peppermint. It smells so good. I barely have to squeeze the lid off to smell it. And lemon. I haven't got to smell lemon yet. Ooh, that smells like a lemon. Alright, so we're going to start with the juice box. Because, I actually have this big package right here. So that's done. It looks like the front's right there. I can't show you the bottom. I can't show you like the top of it. Like the sides of it because it has like my address on it. So. Oh, did you see that pop out? Look, it's a choker. Oh, that's so cute. So these are from the same people, but I don't know. And it just came with a choker. I guess it's the extra that they put in this box. So that's really cute. I think I'll put that down there. So let's pull out what we have. We have two of the same slimes. They are very thick. Well, they look very thick. They're very heavy. Let's check them out. Oh, they packed. They packed them shut. Look at that. I think this is called like, I think I saw this slime somewhere. It looks brown on this, but it's actually like a maroon color in real life. They're the same. They're butter slime. I love it. It's kind of hard because it's butter slime, but it's like a very weird texture at the same time. You can kind of poke it. So yeah. They're very thick. I'm not going to post the other one because they're the same ones and the same textures, so I'll put that in my fun collection. Oh no, guys. Hopefully they're correct wrong. Slime is like too thick for this camera. That's put it away. I don't know how they packed it in this little container. It's like a 5 ounce, probably. It looks really big, but it's actually kind of bigger than my head. You probably can't see because I made it littler, so yeah. Okay, now let's check out this slime. It looks like it was a zip bag, but I guess the zipper broke, I guess, and they had to tape it. So that's what it looks like. I see something big. What is that? Oh, it's a little Hello Kitty squishy. I don't have a lot of Hello Kitty stuff. I don't have any, actually. So yeah, that's very cute. Can you like stop being bag? I'm sitting on a stool with a bean bag. Oh, it came with a little notepad. That's very cute. It came with some stickers. It has some type of bird, a llama. Just a bunch of cute little things. It's really cute. I'm very thankful of them. You know what? Give me a second, guys. Okay, I switched into a pillow because my seat, if I sit on it, it's a stool and my table is like really tall. I've been saving this for like so long. So I'm just gonna kind of sit up like this. And then lay back like that. Okay, now let's see what the next thing is. Oh, we have a little exclusive LOL doll. She's in a really cute checkered outfit, and she has some really cute shoes. I think I know her name, Metallic. That's what I call metallic ones. So she's very cute. She wears some leggings. Actually, they're part of her. Her head's really squishy. Alright, the next next thing we have, oh, it's a unicorn. It's a Poopsie Slime Surprise little keychain. It's really cute. I don't know how many slimes they gave me. Then it comes, oh, I picked up a pink. Pink bath bomb. And a pink bracelet. That's really cute and thoughtful. They include bath bombs. But sometimes people are allergic to that. But actually, so they asked me actually if I was a boy or a girl. I did not order this. They just texted me and said that. So yeah. Then I had this little, it's like a cow unicorn. Bunch of bracelets. We got a white one. We got a pink one with a little heart, like a Valentine one. This says love it. This one says adorbs. I'm trying to get all the items. We got one glitter gun and two more. We got purple and pink. Then we have another bracelet. We have a little thing of like whatever stuff that came with. Another bracelet. It says sweet. A marker for the notepad, I guess, and 3 slimes. Okay, so that was 4. That was 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slimes. So we're gonna start with this one. Oh, there's flamingo charm, there's fruit slices, and a bunch of glitter. It's like not that stretchy, whatever. I don't really care. It's a nice bubble pop. Listen. It's pokeable, but it doesn't poke that good. It's not as stretchable, but it's stretchable. So it's the next slime. Hopefully y'all can hear me. If you can't, I'll just write stuff down. Alright, the next one is, oh, it's packed. Never mind, that's just the air. Oh. One thing they did not include is borax. As I will take a point off of that, I'll take a point off of the box. I'm going to take a point off of the slime containers. And I'm going to take a point off of they didn't tell me the slime names. They said it came with these slimes and it came with how many of these slimes were, but it doesn't say what the names are. Very disappointed. But guys, guess what? I don't know who this came from, so I'm sorry if, like, this person probably wasn't a good slime maker, but whatever. I have a slime that looks just like this, but it's probably a little darker. Let's see if I can get it pulled out. It's a lot darker. Probably can't tell, but it's a lot darker. And it has less long meat in it. So, but it's close. Oh my god, I'm using a phone. Stay phone. So yeah, trying to be like very careful. It's like pop all day. I've always wanted a slime with phone beads, and my wish come true. I got another. My next slime is a cloud slime. It looks like a cloud slime. You can't see it, but. I bet slime is similar to this, but it's not in my, you know. There we go. I'm actually in my room filming, so that's really cool that I have my own like little filming area. Alright. So let's make it rain, because I have a slime that you can make it rain, but that's okay. Make sure some more. Look at that, that's so cute. I'm gonna make this buff up. It has a lot more fake snows than my other one does. Look how Buffy looks, it's so pretty. I also got this other package. When it flew. It came with one thing, and I'm pretty sad. But you get what you get. And where is my lid? All the way over there. Okay. I've already opened the package. I will show you the thing. I don't know who it came from. But this thing came from my Aunt Angela. It looks like it's from Disney World. Unicorn. So that's all I have. Bye guys. Love you. Stay sweet. Bye.